Okay, hi everyone. I'm going to take you on a little venture today. We're going to go and try KFC and McDonald's vegan option and see which one we prefer or if we don't prefer either. So let me know in the comments below if you've tried the vegan option or even would try the vegan option. We are currently in the UK. We have tried some of these options abroad, so it'd be quite nice to do the comparison. It's a bit wet, it's a bit grey. So yeah, we just want something to cheer us up and hopefully this will do the job. So let me know in the comments below if you enjoy KFC or McDonald's or if there's something you wouldn't either go to for the meat options. So yeah, come with us on our little journey. Let's see what's on. So here we are, KFC drive-through. Okay, so I'm going to go in rather than do the drive-through. Right, so we got the first burger, which is a vegan sort of chicken burger, and we're now just going to make our way to McDonald's and get their vegan option, which is just across the road. Don't forget to like if you do enjoy this content, and just lets us know to do more of it, and comment below if you have tried the vegan option or if you would try the vegan option. So now we're going to try. Let's have a taste. So for the McDonald's, we got two options for the vegan. So the first one is called the McPlant. Let's have a look. Oh. So that's the McPlant. Got some tomato.
Horrible vegan cheese.
Ugh.
This is the worst thing ever. We're not going to try this.
Yeah, we're going to take that out because we already know we don't like it.
Disgusting.
Tomato, little patties, some onions.
Obviously, if they can't make vegan cheese, then you just don't make it. Like, I'm sure just no one cares about cheese that amount.
And then the vegetable deluxe, which is their kind of chicken equivalent, I guess. Oh, they put some salt in there. Okay, let's take that out. It's that sign. And then that's got lettuce, mayo. So it's basically like the McChicken, but not chicken.
And then from the KFC, where's the burger?
Is that it?
What the hell is this? What's the bun? Oh, sorry. So yeah, KFC. For some reason, as you can see, this was burger.
I've got some chips as a saving grace.
They're corn burgers. This is a corn burger, and the other ones are Beyond Meat. I'm not a fan of either. I don't like either. There are better options out there, but yeah, we'll try them. It was nice, so we're going to try this one first. Try the KFC. Got this one in a minute ago, so I'll give it a try.
A good bite. Oh, okay. Okay.
So as I said, I'm not a fan of corn. I'm still not a fan of corn. They obviously don't understand that chicken doesn't taste like that. We all know what chicken tastes like. There's chicken flavouring out there you can get. Whatever corn are doing. Sorry, just give it up, boys. Give it up. Whatever you're doing, give it up. Don't like it. Never like corn. Anything to do with corn, don't like it. So as much as I don't eat meat, I can't eat corn stuff. Disgusting. Right?
Yeah, that for me didn't have as much flavour as I wanted it to. And it had a lot of mayonnaise in. I am a fan of mayonnaise, but that was a lot of mayonnaise. I'm like covered in mayonnaise. So yeah.
This is how they give it to you, so try it. So obviously it's a veggie one.
Okay.
Better than corn, but it's not meat, it's not fake meat, it's just vegetables, so not really going to compare them. I'll just say it's just better.
Has a lot more flavour.
Because it's vegetables, and fake processed meat isn't going to have much flavour if you don't put flavour into it. So yeah, this one so far is the best one, but again, it's not comparable because it isn't a fake meat. So I'm not going to compare it. Just saying it's good. That one's better to us. So this is the other one. As you can see, plant-based and beyond meat. Yeah, we've gone a bit beyond it, haven't we? If you've gone beyond meat, you've gone a bit too far.
Kind of like Buzz Lightyear, isn't it? You know.
I'm going to take out this horrible tomato.
Infinity and beyond.
Can't eat that.
I will eat that. I do like gherkin and I like tomatoes. So for my tasting, I will put that back in. I do like a gherkin.
I mean, it's like corn and Beyond Meat got together and they just said, let's make the worst possible flavouring of a burger that we can possibly do and see if the public like it. It just doesn't taste nice. There's this weird aftertaste. It's just disgusting, okay? And now, I make one myself and I've got a way that I do it. It doesn't have that flavour. Why can't they get rid of that flavour? It's like they just want it to be there. Like, just change it Beyond Meat. No one likes this. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. I could eat it. I could give it to my beautiful dog. But no.
Yeah, so if you could rate, so let's do this basic 1 to 5, 5 being the best, 1 being the worst. The vegetable deluxe, cool. McDonald's.
I'll say that's around about a 2.
Okay, and then we've got the KFC.
0.
Wow. And then lastly, we've got the McDonald's McPlant.
This one is a -1. Okay? This is a -1. It's the worst. I promise you, Beyond Meat is the absolute worst. Corn is only 1 up from that because it's just disgusting.
Still getting mayo on me.
It's just ain't no good.
The vegetable one, just because I had a little bit more flavour, would be, I'd give it a 2. The KFC, for me, it doesn't have any taste and there was a lot of mayo, too much mayo, it was just really messy. I'd give this a 1. And then I don't really like, when I did eat meat, the meat sort of patties from McDonald's. I always went for the chicken. So I'd give this a 0. This one's the worst for me.
Should we see if Gwen wants a bit?
This is the real test because she eats everything.
Let's see what Gwen can have this. Gwen, do you want some of this? Do you want some burger? No, I'll just take her some burger out there. Burger meat. Let's see if she will have it. Yeah, there we go.
Plant-based meat.
Let's see if she will have it. Look at her. She's wary. She's wary. Look, she turned her head up at it. She said no.
It's a no from Gwen.
Gwen said no. Yeah, look, she won't even take it off me. Flat out no. Right, let's try a bit of the fake chicken.
This is the KFC.
See if the dog will eat fake chicken. Let's see.
KFC now.
No. Again, if your dog won't eat it, you probably shouldn't eat it. So again, that's a flat out no.
And then lastly, this is both of our favourites out of not really great options.
Now obviously we're talking to a dog here and we're going to try and make a dog eat a bit of veggies. Let's see if she have.
This one she might eat.
Let's have a look at this. See if she eats this fake veggie. It's not fake veggie.
Well, it's fake, it isn't.
Ooh, she's licking her lips. You want it, Gwenny? No? No. Well, from the meat eater dog, that's a no to it all. So from Gwen, that's a 0, 0, and a 0. So anyway, thank you all for tuning in. This is Wagwan Tours, and we just went out to see if KFC or McDonald's did anything good in the vegan menus, and I'll pretty much say is no, they don't. Fix up, because people actually like to eat good food, and you know you can do a lot better. All that money you got, you can do a lot better. Trust me. McDonald's, no good. KFC, no good.
Yeah.
Have a good day, everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below if you agree or if you tried any as well. I'd love to know your feedback.